Compression routers have both up and down cut and mainly used for machining laminates. So the overlap length and distance is very critical in a compression router. So the overlap length is how much this overlaps, and the distance is how much is this both from each other. The up and down cut, what's the distance? That's what it is, and the distance is from the end of tool. So when we load up a new compression router here, so say for example, by default it chooses the wheels and gives you an overlap length and distance. So at the moment I want to change this overlap. So there is an easy way to do this in our Fluid from Solid, and S1 stands for segment 1, which is the front, and S2 is the segment. So if we go to the overlap calculator, there is clearly, you can say what is the overlap width. So let me put that as a millimeter, and let me put this as a 12 millimeter, and you do the calculation, and it's automatically calculating this for you based on the wheels what is being chosen. So, and now it's told me that it's checked, and the overlap width is 0.91 and the distance is 12.04. So that's the closest it has to. But if you need it more refined, then you can go into the refine and choose, and then it will give you a much more closer value. So once we apply this, let's go here and check. It will update that automatically, and you can see that the overlap length has changed and the distance. So when we go to the Sim3D, it should actually give us the correct overlap length and distance. And so here you can see we said specified 12 mil, so it is in the middle of these two, so that's 12 mil, that's the distance, and this is the overlap width. So that's how the overlap can be calculated easily in a compression router.